So I'll start my list with the Honda CBR 954 Fireblade, said to be the best ever Fireblade ever built. It was in production from 2002 to 2003. The motorcycle has a 954cc inline 4 DOHC 16 valve liquid cooled engine, producing 155 brake horsepower at 11,250 RPM. That's 78 foot-pound or 103 newton meters of torque at 9,000 RPM. It's a top speed of 180 miles per hour. It's a 6-speed chain-driven. Average fuel consumption is 36 miles per gallon. It's got an 18-litre fuel tank, giving a max range of 148 miles. The 954 Fireblade is my favourite Fireblade of all time, hence it being on my list. The next one on my list is the CCM Spitfire 600 flat tracker. This is one beautiful machine. It has a 600 single cylinder 4-stroke engine that develops 55 brake horse and 58 newton meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. It's a liquid cooled 6-speed chain driven with an average fuel consumption of 56 miles per gallon. The CCM Spitfire is another one of my favourites, as it's got retro looks and really nice styling, and will be great for a Sunday blast up to your local bikers cafe. Also handling the twisties with ease. With its LED lighting all round, also its brushed aluminium tank just looks beautiful. And the gorgeous steel trellis frame. The next on my list is the KTM 1290 Adventure R. With its 62-inch wheelbase and its ground clearance of 9.8 inches makes this a fantastic off-road adventure machine. It's a 6-speed chain-driven monster, and its huge 18-inch wheels, running at 160 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM, delivering 138 newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. And its huge 220mm suspension travel front and rear, making this a great all-rounder and my favourite adventure bike. Giving the BMW 1250 GS a run for its money, this is a fantastic machine that looks great with its orange trellis frame and its quirky KTM colours. There's a spot in my garage just waiting for this bike. The next on my list is the stunning BMW K1300S. With a top speed of 175 miles per hour and its claimed 175 HP, delivering 140 newton meters of torque. It has a liquid cooled twin cam 4-valve 4-stroke inline 4 with 6 gears. It has a 32-inch seat height, making it a bit high for a shorter rider. It has an integrated ABS2 system with an onboard computer, heated grips, automatically controlled. It also has the ESA2 electronic suspension adjustment and the automatic stability control. It has an overall length of 86 inches, the overall width of 35 inches, and the height is 48 inches, with a wheelbase of 62.4 inches. Also having the cantilever front suspension, eliminating any dipping from the front braking. Fantastic piece of German technology way before its time. The next on my list is the Harley Davidson Pan America. This is Harley's first attempt at an adventure machine. And in my opinion, what a fantastic job they've done. This bike looks great. The V-twin engine delivers 150 brake horse at 9,000 RPM, giving 94 pound of torque at 6,750 RPM. It has a seat height of 32.2 inches. However, Harley-Davidson have fitted this with height control electronically, which once you pull up to a stop, the bike lowers itself down, making it accommodate to a shorter rider. It's a little on the heavy side, weighing in at 509 pounds, but this isn't a problem if you're a big, burly, strong bloke. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed my video on my top 5 motorcycles of all time. I'd just like to wish each and every one of you a happy new year and all the best for 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Really help my channel and give me some incentive to go out and film some more content. I'm hoping to get out tomorrow, which is New Year's Day, and do a bit of filming. See you all soon, guys. Take care.